Stop! Before you approve your design, watch this. Recognize this document? We send it once your design has been reviewed by our art team. Here you'll see every note and adjustment made before production. Production starts after your approval. Review carefully to avoid delays. Scroll all the way down and check every section. Every note matters. The Be Aware Of section includes important information about the proof document, such as a reminder noting that the gray or white background within the dotted lines won't be printed. Make sure the fields, formula, sub-formula, transfer type, sheet size, sheets, and colors match your order. Once approved, these can't be changed. In the Art Warning section, our design team explains what's been adjusted, resizing, redesigns, or font replacements. Double-check spelling and layout details. You have 2 revision rounds only. Art size shows your design's final print size. Once approved, that's the size we'll print. Here's your art preview. Click each image. It will open or download to your device, so you can zoom in and review. Dotted lines show the sheet area. They won't print. Sometimes you'll see an Art Extra window. Click to check additional details. After reviewing, reply to the email. Approve your design or request new changes. A careful review is the key to perfect prints every time.